Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take more important questions relating to solutions of quadratic equation by factorization. First question, find the roots of equation 2x squared minus x plus 1 over 8 is equal to 0 by factorization. Solution, we have 2x squared minus x plus 1 over 8 is equal to 0. Taking LCM, 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can factorize this 16x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. 4x common, 4x minus 1 common, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is common, factor into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Either 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4x is 1 or 4x is 1, x is 1 by 4 or x is 1 by 4. Therefore, the roots are 1 by 4, 1 by 4. These are the repeated roots. Next question, second, find two numbers. Second question, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Solution, let one number is x, other number is 27 minus x because the sum of numbers is 27. According to question, their product is 182. X into 27 minus x is equal to 182. 27x minus x square minus 182 is equal to 0, or x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. We can factorize this. Sum should be 27, product is 182. You can check it is 14 into 13 is 182 and their sum is 27. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is common from first two into x minus 14 minus 13 is common into x minus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 14 common into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is 14 or x is equal to 13 means x is equal to 13 comma 14. Therefore, the numbers are 13 comma 14 Next, third question. Third question. Find the consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares, sum of whose square is 365. Solution. Let two consecutive positive integers are x comma x plus 1. According to question, sum of their squares x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. Simplify this. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. 2 common. X square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus x minus 182 is equal to, since last sign is negative, therefore the product should be 182 and the difference should be 1. So it is, we can see as we have seen in the first question, previous question, it is 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to, do it in the same way, x into x plus 14 minus 13 into x plus 14 is equal to 0. So x plus 14 is common, into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0, which will give you x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. But x is a positive integer. Therefore, x is equal to minus 14 is rejected. Therefore, x is equal to 13. Therefore, the consecutive positive integers are therefore the consecutive positive integers are 13 comma 14. Fourth question, the altitude of a right triangle is, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less, 7 centimeter less than its base, than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, if the hypotenuse of right triangle is 13 centimeter. Find the other two sides. Find the other two sides. Solution. You know that altitude is 7 centimeter less than base. Let base of right triangle is x centimeters. Therefore, its altitude is x minus 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, x square plus x minus 7 whole square is equal to 13 square. Therefore, x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 169. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x plus 120 minus 120 is equal to 0. 2 is common, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now you will factorize this. Difference should be 7 and the product should be 60. So they are 12 and 5. Therefore, x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. From first to x is common, x minus 12. From last to 5 is common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is common factor, therefore into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Either x minus 12 is 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is 12 or x is equal to minus 5. Since x is the base, therefore x is equal to minus 5 is rejected because the base cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to 12, base is 12 centimeter and altitude is 12 minus 7, 5 centimeter. Next question. Fifth question. A cottage industry produces a cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles. Certain number of pottery articles. It was observed on a particular day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article, that the cost of production of each article in rupees was three more than twice the number of articles, twice the number of articles produced on that day, produced on that day. If the total cost of production, if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90. Find the number of articles produced. Find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Solution. Let the number of articles produced is equal to X. Therefore, the cost of each article is 3 more than twice. That is 2x plus 3. So total cost is x into 2x plus 3 is equal to rupees 2x square plus 3x. According to question, 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. We shall solve this. Therefore, 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. We shall solve this. Product should be 2 into 90, 180, and the difference should be 3. Note that numbers whose product is 180 is 15 and 12 and the difference is 3. So factorize this. 12x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, x common into x plus 15 minus 6 common x into 2x. Minus 6 into 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So plus 15. 2x plus 15 is common into x minus 6. Therefore, either 2x plus 15 is 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x is minus 15 or x is equal to 6. X is minus 15 by 2 or x is equal to 6. Since x is the number of particles number of articles, and number of articles cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 by 2 is rejected. Is rejected. Therefore, number of articles produced is 6 and cost of each article is equal to 2x plus 3, that is 2 into 6 plus 3, which is 15 rupees 15. So this is the answer. That's all. In the next video, we shall take conditions for nature of roots, and also we should take questions based on that condition. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.